Hello guys, welcome back to the video from the E-Innovators. In today's video, we are talking about 3 rare scientific facts you haven't heard before. So without wasting any further ado, let's jump into the video. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do it to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Let's get started. Fact number 1. While we humans have ears on the side of our heads, grasshoppers have ears or sound detectors called tympanums or eardrums, which is a thin membrane in adults. The tympanum is in the belly and the wings provide a safety shield for it. Furthermore, grasshoppers use these tympanums to hear the call or the song of other grasshoppers. The grasshopper's tympanum vibrates in response to important signals from the grasshoppers. Male grasshoppers use sounds as mating calls and to claim territory, while females can hear the sound they make and judge the size of the male through its pitch. Larger males are known to have deeper sounds. Other males can use these sounds to judge their potential rivals and use this information to keep away from the large rivals and their territories, and also chase smaller rivals from their own territories. Fact number 2. Even though killer whales are called whales, they are the largest member of the dolphin family. Technically, orcas are also whales, due to the fact that delphinids belong to the cetacean order within the toothed whale suborder, but the term whale is reserved for the baleen whales of Mysticeti suborder. The major fact that proves that the orcas are dolphins is the presence of a fatty deposit which assists that the animal is echolocation, which is called a melon, and this feature only exists in dolphins. Orcas are also known to be highly intelligent and adaptable animals, which can easily coordinate and communicate between each other from hunting tactics. They are also extremely fast swimmers and have been recorded to swim at about 54 kph. On the other hand, a wild orca pod can cover over 160 kilometers just while pasturage and socializing. Fact number 3. An average moderately active human being is known to take about 7,500 steps per day. So if a person maintains that average every day and lives up to 80 years of age, that person would have taken approximately 216,262,500 steps in their total lifespan. If you do the math, the average person with an average stride who lives up to 80 will walk a distance of about 110,000 miles, which would turn out to be the equivalent of walking the total distance of the world 5 times, right on its equator. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe the channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Also join us on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description below. See you guys in the next video shortly. Bye bye, stay safe, peace out.